Let's say you just got a solid tax refund back, and you've been grinding on the side with delivery gigs to build up extra cash. Most people take that lump sum and either let it sit in a checking account where inflation eats it alive, or they throw it at whatever random stock is trending on social media. Instead, we're going to use a strict step-by-step blueprint to turn a $5,000 to $6,000 sum into an automated passive income machine. Before we start, you need to clear away any immediate personal expenses, high-interest debt, or overdue bills. We are working strictly with pure investable capital. Drawing a hard line between the money you need to survive and the money you use to invest removes the emotional panic of market swings. Once survival is covered, you can focus entirely on building wealth. Let's calculate our starting pool. We'll take an average tax refund of $5,500 and add a conservative first-month side gig allocation of $680. That gives us exactly $6,180 to deploy. This chart shows our four main capital buckets. We are filling the first bucket by dropping $2,500 into a high-yield savings account, leaving us with a balance of $3,680. A high-yield savings account pays you a guaranteed 4 to 5% interest rate. Your principal is completely shielded from stock market volatility. This account provides a permanent compounding financial baseline. It acts as a liquid reserve that earns a predictable yield regardless of what happens in the broader economy. Securing a risk-free foundation gives you the psychological leverage you need. When you have cash safely compounding in the bank, you can make aggressive moves in the stock market without constant fear of ruin. Now we make our move to the market. Our second step is opening a position designed entirely to generate steady, predictable cash flow. Returning to our chart, Bucket 2 allocates $1,000 to a dividend stock. We want a solid company paying a consistent 3 to 4% yield. Avoid broad exchange-traded funds. Select a single, stable company to maximize targeted payout. Next, we plant a $1,000 growth seed to rapidly increase overall portfolio value, leaving exactly $1,680. For this pick, bypass slow-moving industries and target rapidly expanding sectors like technology, cybersecurity, or medical devices. Pairing the predictable cash flow of your dividend payer with the aggressive upward momentum of a tech stock gives you a perfectly balanced dual-engine portfolio. Back to our chart, we pour the exact remaining balance of $1,680 into our final bucket, dry powder cash reserves held inside your brokerage account. Being 100% invested at all times leaves you exposed. Dry powder is your load-the-clip money. You keep these cash reserves on the side so that when the broader market inevitably dips, you have the capital ready to purchase incremental shares at a discount. Now we automate. Inside your brokerage account, find the setting for a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, and turn it on. This setting automatically uses the cash payouts from your dividend stock to buy fractional shares of that same company. Next, establish an active stuffing routine. Take 30% of gig paychecks and route that cash evenly into your dividend and growth positions. Keep actively stuffing the growth stock until you hit a specific milestone, 25 to 50 total shares. Once you hit that threshold, stop stuffing that company and rotate cash to a new growth stock. Repeat this until your lifetime portfolio holds exactly 3 growth stocks and 3 dividend stocks. By capping it at 6 specific positions, you maintain absolute focus. Linking the automated DRIP system with milestone-based cash injections allows sporadic gig work to build equity on a continuous schedule. Let's review what we've built. You now possess an interest-earning savings base, a cash-flowing asset, a growth engine, and defensive cash reserves. Staring at a small share count in the beginning can feel discouraging, but getting to a massive goal, like 1,000 shares, requires building the position brick by single brick. It takes time. Because you've automated the system through your side hustle percentages and DRIP, that growth continues in the background without needing your daily micromanagement. Step 1 happens today. Log into your brokerage, execute these 4 specific bucket transfers, and verify that your dividend reinvestment plan is enabled. Consistently managing this system allows the mathematics of compound interest to eventually sustain your lifestyle for you.